Hi, my name is Lucas Coelho. I'm from Brazil. I came to Conestoga College to study Energy Systems Engineering Technology, and I found in Canada a perfect place to grow in my career. Conestoga College had the exact program I was looking for, with a lot of hands-on to learn more about how the Ontario energy infrastructure works. I have a mechanical engineering degree from Brazil, and in Brazil it was very academic. It was almost zero hands-on, so it was very theoretical. When I came to Conestoga College, everything was a lot hands-on and do it yourself, learn how things work, hands on the deck, let's make it work. And that was actually a very great surprise for me, because I could actually not only understand how things work, but actually seeing how to build them and how to make them work. Energy Systems Engineering Technology is gonna demand a lot from your time, but it's actually amazing the amount of things you're gonna learn. It requires a lot of dedication on the classes, on the homeworks, and some exams, but it's what you gotta do to learn all that interesting stuff. One thing that was great here at Conestoga College is that when you show interest, you don't go unnoticed. The teachers and the coordinators, they'll see your potential and they'll give you all the tools you need to grow. Pretty much a lot of the job search has a lot of support from the college as well. So your teachers, your coordinators, even the Career Hub, they're gonna help you get your cover letter, your resume, to get you in contact with employers. I got a job pretty much less than a week after I finished the course, and Energy Systems Engineering Technology is a highly employable course. I gotta say, the five years up to when I graduated, I think they had 100% employment rate. So pretty much everyone that graduated was employed up to 6 months after the end of the course. Want a good job? It's the way to go.